Hello everyone. A warm welcome to the dikshantias YouTube platform. Today's breaking news.
India's $23 billion manufacturing plan fails. India launched a $23 billion plan to boost manufacturing and rival China. But just 4 years later, the government is shutting it down. What went wrong? Let's break it down. The big plan, why it was introduced. In 2020, India introduced the Production-Linked Incentive (PLI) scheme to attract global manufacturers, reduce dependence on China, and increase manufacturing to 25% of GDP by 2025. Top companies like Foxconn, Reliance, and Adani joined, hoping to get cash rewards for meeting production targets. But 4 years later, the results were disappointing. Only 37% of the production target was met. Less than 8% of the allocated funds were paid out. Manufacturing share in GDP actually dropped from 15.4% to 14.3%. Key reasons for failure: 1. Delayed government payments. Companies met targets but didn't get subsidies on time. 2. Too much red tape. Excessive bureaucracy discouraged investors. 3. Lack of proper execution. Several firms failed to even start production. The success stories. What worked? However, two industries saw major growth. Mobile manufacturing. India became a global smartphone hub, producing $49 billion worth of phones in 2023-24. Apple now makes its newest iPhones in India. Pharmaceuticals. Exports doubled to $27.85 billion in a decade. The missed opportunities. What failed? But in sectors like steel, textiles, and solar energy, results were poor. 14 out of 58 steel projects were scrapped. 8 out of 12 solar companies, including Reliance Adani, are missing targets. What's next? The government won't extend PLI, but it's planning a new scheme to help companies recover costs faster. Will it work? Only time will tell. Do you think India can still become a manufacturing powerhouse? Comment below. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment and share.